Hey guys, okay, today we're talking about the impact of collective energies on our health and the way we age. So, these fields of consciousness, let's look at them. First of all, there's the mental field, which hundreds of years ago was a dreamtime field, and it was where people thought of a good harvest and a happy tribe and a happy life. Now it's full of toxic thoughts. The next field of consciousness is the emotional field, which, because of what's going on in the world right now, is highly, highly toxic. It's full of anger and hatred and rage and fear and anxiety. And when we're plugged into these fields, it's super draining. So I don't know if any of you have felt this, but some friends have reported that just getting through the day is extremely difficult, as if your energy was really being siphoned. These fields are a big part of that. Another field which you might remember was in lockdown, when we were all in a field of fear, and that might have led some of us to do things that we now regret, or live in ways that were extremely limiting and not aligned. Another field is the field of cancer. Another field is the field of heart disease. Another field is the field of aging, which says this is the way you're going to age. At this point, you're going to lose your beauty, you'll lose your sexuality, you'll start to get diseases, and then maybe you'll get dementia, and then that's it for you. It's not a really joyful way to exit your adventure in consciousness, is it? So what I want to do on this workshop is unplug us from all of these fields of consciousness so that you can come back to your own sovereign space. And I want to open the dreamtime chakra, which is a chakra that opens up to the potential for humanity, so that you can dream a new dream for yourself, for your body, for the way you're going to experience your third act, and for what is to come for this tribe, this human tribe that we're all living in and creating together. So join me for a really special adventure in consciousness on September 13th. It's an online workshop. There's a replay if you're in a different time zone, and we're going to do some very deep restructuring of the energy matrix that creates every aspect of your body. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.